So hello guys, this is my BTS songs. So we have J-Hope and Jimin. Jimin is actually my first one I get, and Suga and J-Hope is the second one. And I mean Suga is the third one, and Jin is the fourth one. So this is all of them right now, and look at their cards. Here's Suga, it's out of the game. Jimin 2 is out of the game. Jin 2, but actually I have two Jins. I give to somebody else the other one because I just got bad luck. And this one is J-Hope. I still not have got RM and V. And who is this? RM, V, and Jungkook. That's only I need. So that's all my BTS. I'm gonna collect them soon and I'm gonna make a video again. Bye.